Hi, guys. Today we will discuss this constitutional law, CSS question paper. The question is compare the historical and foundational aspect of the Objective Resolution 1949. Highlights its specific inclusion in 1973 Constitution and examine and ongoing influence their role, okay, and how these differences impact the country constitutional framework. ओके इसमें ये बताया गया है जो कि एग्जाम आपसे ये मांगता है कि भाई जो हिस्टोरिकल फाउंडेशन एस्पेक्ट इसको कंपेयर करें दोनों को सेपरेट सेपरेट लिख दो एक साइड पे ये और दूसरी साइड पे वो लिख दो जो अच्छा फिर ये जो ये भी हाईलाइट कर दो कि कब जो ना इसको आइन का हिस्सा बनाया ठीक है और आजकल जो इसकी इम्प्लीमेंट्स है इसका जो रोल है ठीक है और इस ये इनमें जो मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के सियासी और रिलीजियस जो ग्रुप है, इसमें इख्तिलाफ पाया जाता है, उसको भी आप तफ़सील से लिखो और किस तरह इसने इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल जो फ्रेमवर्क है, इसको मुतासिर किया है, ठीक है, हमारे मुल्क की। तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो एग्ज़ामिनर ने इन चीज़ें आपसे माँगी है, आपने इस चीज़ों का ख़्याल रखना है। ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन में पढ़ेंगे द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव रेज़ोल्यूशन 1949। पहले इसको पढ़ते हैं कि इसकी अहमियत क्या है। जो 1949 में इसको पास किया गया पार्लियामेंट में पाकिस्तान के 2 साल बनने के बाद। द ऑब्जेक्टिव रेज़ोल्यूशन पास्ड बाय द फर्स्ट Constituent Assembly of Pakistan in March 12, 1949 is considered is the fundamental document of the country, okay? Constitutional development. It was a landmark statement of the principles that would guide the future constitution of the Pakistan. It is also very a landmark important document because it will guide it the future constitution. So no constitution, no any law can be made against this principles. So that's why this is very important document. Some important basic principle, foundation principles. It was proposed by Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan uh, in order to bridge the gap between the religious and the secular uh, vision for the new state by uh, declaring that sovereignty belongs to Allah, God, to be exercised by the people is a sacred trust. This resolution was um, accompanied uh, a compromise that led the uh, groundwork for the Islamic Republic while uh, guarantees certain parliamentary. Okay, so it just put the foundation for the Islamic Republic of Pakistan at that time because Pakistan was created on the name of Islam. That's why they need certain principles, certain resolution, certain part of the constitution, so that no law should be made against against Islam. So that's why this was like just like a compromise between the two sides, the secular mind and the non-secular mind. So also it protect the minority fundamental rights because so that nobody can touch and jeopardizing their rights in this country by because of these things. Okay, now we will discuss this historical aspect because the examiner wanted this question that just compare the historical and foundation aspects. Now we will first discuss the historical aspect. Okay, so what is the historical aspect when it was passed and when it was presented in the constitution in this the parliament in the Constituent Assembly of that time and when it was passed. So, and who were the reasons, who were the person who motivated and who just passed these resolutions and moved these resolutions in the parliament of that time. So let's go. Historical context. The resolution was passed less than 2 years after the Pakistan independence. Okay, it was sponsored. response to the demand for the clear institutional framework for the new uh, nation, which was uh, grappling with its destiny, okay, as a Muslim majority country in the modern world. So it was the demand of the Muslim nation of that time, the new state, so they can now just impose Islamic system. Just because the country was formed on the name of Islam, that's why we need such a uh, promulgation, promulgation of this system through by resolutions. Okay, so that was the first step. Resolution was a direct outcome of the constitutional debate between different political and religious groups who had various varying idea about the role of Islam in the state. So that time we have two groups: the religious group and the non-religious group or secular group. So there was a debate between that. They said that Pakistan should be like a liberal country, but and they said the religious leader, no, Pakistan was created in the name of Islam. So that's why they should be. So that's why in this resolutions, both sided were adjusted. Both sided idea were adjusted in the form of these resolutions. So the minority cannot be fair about their rights.